rubric bullets to make them easier to understand and more student-friendly so that when we grade podcasts, we better understand what the expectation is. So let's start with the first one. Creativity and original content enhance the purpose of the podcast in an innovative way. Accurate information and succinct concepts are presented. Whose group was that? Zach Young, what do you think?
Miss Betty, contact the front office.
We said creative and original content to improve the purpose of the podcast and
Creative, okay, y'all gotta talk loud because I can't hear it anyway, and when I'm all the way back here, it's even worse. Creative and
original content to improve the purpose of the podcast.
to encourage the purpose?
To improve.
Improve, okay. What about the accurate information?
Accurate.
What does it mean if something is accurate or succinct?
Correct information, correct concepts.
Okay. So look at the difference. We've taken out some of those $5 words in the first rubric, but in the second that Zach just read for us, you said a little better, have we still included that we need important information, we need to be creative, and we need to have information that is correct? We've reworded that, but do you feel like that Zach's group has made that part of the rubric easier to understand? Does it make more sense now? Is there anything they left out? Feel pretty good about that?
Yeah.
All right. Second one, we said vocabulary enhances content, and instead we said it makes better the criteria. Anything different we would want to put for, what does it mean if vocabulary enhances content? It does what? Makes it sound better?
Makes it sound professional.
So can we say makes the text sound better, which makes it what?
Professional.
Okay. Does that make it easier to read? Yeah? Okay. Who's the third one?
Me, Brooke and Helen.
What'd you say?
Needs to have 3 well-researched informative sources, facts and quotes from expert sources, all cited correctly, and a question that is works cited should also be included.
Okay. So needs to have well-researched informative sources. And I know the rubric says 3. We're not worried about numbers right now. Okay, I'm going to give you some research. You can do your own also. But the number's not important, so I'm glad Jason's group kind of left that out. Informative sources. We're using that same word in Jason's group's example. What is an informative source? What does that mean if it's an informative source?
Knowledgeable.
Knowledgeable? We like that word better?
Yeah.
I can spell it. Facts and quotes cited correctly, works cited should be included. Nice. We talked about the one on topic. Pretty much it is what it is. See?
Wait. I think you put one too many spaces in front of that.
Okay.
Behind.
We're not going to worry about editing right now, but thank you. Conclusion, we talked about it just needs to be clear and summarizing. Let's go down to delivery. Whose group was that? Well-rehearsed, smooth delivery in a conversational style.